Thank you.
Oh my God! Jesus Christ! The Messiah! You've returned! You've returned to bring us the good word!
What word?
Well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word. Well, I guess that's it then. Jesus is gone.
I sure am gonna miss him.
Me too. Although he did give me something right before he disappeared.
What?
Something very special, Lois.
What is it, Dad?
What, you haven't heard?
Crap!
Well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird.
Carter, get out of here this instant! I don't ever want to see you again!
Pussycup, please. Mrs. Pewterschmidt, Carter has something important to say to you. I'll set the mood. Ba 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 bird, bird, bird. Ba bird's the word. Ba 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 bird, bird, bird. Ba bird's the word. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Is there anything else we should know about?
Oh, have you not heard?
Heard what?
Well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a...
Series pass, record all, priority 1. Peter, that's like your 50th bag. What could possibly be in there?
Oh, have you not heard?
Ryan, no!
Everybody's by the bird.
Wait a minute, didn't we destroy that?
I glued it. Surfing bird, finds a way. Hello?
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird.
That's annoying.
You know, this isn't gonna be easy, you guys. We're gonna have to reteach your father everything he's forgotten.
Hey, have you heard this awesome new song?
No!
Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a...
Oh, hey guys, what's the word?
Bird. Bird is the word. Bird. Bird is a word. Well, I can't think of a better way to end our visit than by remembering the 4 lads who started a band in 1962 and changed the world forever.
John,
Steve,
Paul,
Dal,
George,
Bob,
and Ringo.
Robin.
Who?
Steve, Dal, Bob, and Robin. The Trash Men.
Oh.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.